Ever get your first credit card and feel like you've just unlocked adult mode, only to realize it's more like unlocking extra bills mode? Yeah, that's the beginner's credit trap. Kiersten Saunders, co-creator of the award-winning blog and podcast Rich and Regular, and author of the bestseller Cashing Out, shares how to build credit the right way and avoid the rookie mistake that could follow you for years. Tip 1. If you're starting with no history, Saunders advises, start where the system will let you. That might mean secured credit card, credit builder loan, authorized user status. What matters most isn't which tool you choose. It's showing you can handle responsibility. Tip 2. The biggest mistake is confusing approval with progress. Saunders warns that first card can feel like proof that you've arrived, but it's really just the beginning of building a reputation with lenders and with yourself. Translation: getting approved means a lender took a chance. It doesn't mean you've built trust yet. Tip 3. Play the long game. Next pitfall: trying to build credit too fast. Saunders explains, when you're starting from zero, it's easy to feel like you need to do more to catch up, but every new application leaves a mark. Real growth comes from patience, 6 to 12 months of consistent payments. Tip 4. Hacks to build credit faster. Want to speed things up? Saunders suggests, report rent and utilities when possible. Put small recurring charges, like Netflix, on your card. Automate payments so you never miss a due date. You don't need a lot of activity. You just need to show you can keep up with what you already have, she says. So yeah, getting that shiny first card feels like adulting unlocked. But the real win? Playing slow and steady, keeping balances low, and letting time build your reputation so future you can thank past you. Got a money question? Head to gobankingrates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.